Hello friends, you could invest 1 lakh or even 1 crore into your bathroom design. But if your lighting is wrong, the entire space can end up looking dull, flat, or just off. Lighting is not just about brightness, it is about ambience, placement, temperature, and purpose. When done right, it elevates the space. When done wrong, it ruins even the most luxurious bathrooms. Design your lighting, don't just install it. Most people treat bathroom lighting as an afterthought. Let us just throw a bulb on the ceiling and we are done. But that approach leads to harsh shadows, glare in the mirror, poorly lit corners, and ultimately a bathroom that feels uncomfortable. So how do you do it right? Smart lighting layout for every bathroom. Here is the correct and practical way to plan functional lighting that also looks beautiful. Number 1. Light above the WC toilet seat. Install a ceiling light directly above the center of the commode. This avoids unwanted shadows and ensures clear visibility even at night. Number 2. Light above the wash basin or mirror. This is crucial for grooming tasks like shaving, brushing, or applying makeup. It eliminates dark patches on your face and gives even flattering light. Number 3. Light in the shower area. Add a focused light that brightens up the shower zone without shining directly into your eyes. The goal is clear lighting, not discomfort. One big mistake to avoid. Don't align all ceiling lights in a straight line. This is one of the most common errors in modern bathrooms. Why? Because lights should be function driven, not just symmetrical. Each light should be placed directly above the feature it serves. What kind of lights should you use? Color temperature. Go for warm white lights, somewhere between 3000K to 3500K. This gives your bathroom a soft, cozy glow. Avoid those cool white or bluish lights. They make the space feel cold and dull like a hospital. Type of fixture. Use COB lights. The long form is chip on board. They are compact, focus light nicely, and don't glare into your eyes. A 9-watt COB light is perfect. It is bright enough but not harsh. Avoid tube lights or regular downlights. They spread light all over and don't highlight specific areas well. Bonus lighting touches for a designer look. Do you want to take your bathroom to the next level? Then plan for these extra lighting points. Number 1. LED strip behind the mirror. This gives soft glow from behind the mirror. Looks modern, elegant, and feels like a 5-star hotel. Number 2. Spotlight or bar light above the mirror. This light comes directly from the front or top, so your face is clearly visible while shaving, doing makeup, or brushing. Number 3. Pendant or side decorative lights. These lights on either side of the mirror are not just for light. They look stylish and add a luxury touch. Number 4. Under vanity LED lighting. Install a light strip below the vanity or cabinet. At night, it gives a soft glow on the floor. Very calming and classy. Number 5. 5 ampere switch or socket near the mirror. Don't forget this. You will need it for your trimmer, hair dryer, or electric toothbrush. Place it near the mirror at a comfortable height. Pro tip. The two-way switch trick. Install a two-way switch that controls just the soft lighting, like under vanity or mirror backlight. Why? Because when you wake up at night and visit the bathroom, you don't want harsh lights hitting your eyes. This small upgrade gives you a hotel-like ambient feel and your eyes will thank you. Gizer placement. Small detail, big mistake. In many homes, the geyser is installed right where you see it as soon as you open the bathroom door. Golden rule. Geyser should not be visible when you enter the bathroom. Instead, install the geyser above the bathroom door or in the ceiling, that is loft or box, out of sight, out of the visual mess. Hidden geyser gives clean designer look, whereas visible geyser gives builder grade feel. Material purchase, plan like a pro. Now that your layout and lighting are sorted, let us go shopping, but smartly. Interior designers plan material purchase in stages. Day 1, tiles. Day 2, sanitary fittings. Day 3, drains, exhaust fans, lights, geysers, switches, glass partition. This way you don't get overwhelmed or miss key items. Buying tiles, avoid these common mistakes. One of the most common questions is, where should I place the highlighter tile? Here is a simple rule. The first wall you see when you open the bathroom door, usually the smaller wall, should be your highlighter wall. It is the first impression, so make it stand out. The rest of the walls, keep them simple with neutral base tiles. This keeps the design balanced and not overwhelming. Pro tip: if you want to highlight a bigger wall, avoid dark colors because your bathroom will feel small. The size, go with the flow. Use 4 feet by 2 feet tiles for most bathroom walls. Perfect fit, less cutting and fewer grout lines. Avoid ultra large tiles, that is 5 feet by 3 feet or 6 feet by 4 feet. Unless your bathroom is 10 feet by 10 feet or bigger. Otherwise, you will end up wasting a lot. Confused between gloss, matte or sugar finish tiles for bathroom floors? If your bathroom is small, under 50 square feet, then glossy tiles can actually help. They reflect light and make the space look bigger and brighter. But remember, they can get slippery, especially when wet. So be careful if there are kids or elderly at home. For larger bathrooms, I always suggest going with matte finish tiles. They are non-slippery, safe to walk on, and give a nice soft, elegant look. You won't face the same slipperiness issue as with glossy tiles. Now comes the third type, sugar finish tiles. These are like a perfect middle ground. They have a slight shimmer like gloss, but also come with anti-skid properties like matte. Ideal if you want the beauty of shine along with the comfort of slip resistance. But here is an important tip most people miss. Always ask about the slip resistance rating, which is called the R value. R9 gives a basic grip and it is okay for dry areas. R10 to R11, it gives much better grip and it is recommended for wet areas like bathrooms. So when buying tiles, ask your dealer straight up. Is this tile R10 or higher? This small question can save you from big problems later. Before you finalize bathroom tiles, don't miss these two crucial checks. Number 1, check stock availability. Most people ignore this, but it is very important. Let us say you select a tile today, but it is out of stock. The dealer might say, we will get it made again. Now here is the problem. When tiles are manufactured again, even from the same design, there is often a slight color variation between the new batch and the old one. So you might end up with tiles that don't match properly, and you will only notice once they are installed. That is why always ask, is this tile readily available in full quantity? Are all tiles from the same batch number? Same batch means same color tone, no patchy look on your walls or floor. Number 2, do a lighting test. Tiles in the showroom look very different from how they will appear in your home. Why? Because showrooms use strong overhead lighting that makes everything look shiny and perfect. But in your actual bathroom with normal or warm white lights, the tile color and texture can feel totally different. So here is what to do. Ask the store to show you the tile in natural daylight or in a low light area. Even better, take a sample tile home and place it in your bathroom. See how it looks with your actual lighting. This simple step helps you avoid surprises later. Because once tiles are fixed, changing them is not easy or cheap. Some important practical tips you should definitely know before bathroom tiling. These are small things, but they make a big difference and most people miss them. First, tile adhesive. Many people still use cement mortar to fix tiles, but for bathrooms that is outdated. You should always use a good quality tile adhesive like ROF, Urdex Endura or MYK Laticrete. It gives better grip, long life and avoids issues like tile popping or hollow sounds. Second, grout color matters. Most people blindly use white grout, but that is not always the best choice. Choose a grout color that blends well with your tile. It will make your bathroom look cleaner, more premium. Number 3. Use epoxy grout in wet areas. For areas like shower zones or around basins, go for epoxy grout. It is waterproof, stain resistant and lasts much longer than normal grout. Fourth, ventilation is non-negotiable. A beautiful bathroom means nothing if there is no airflow. Without proper ventilation like a window or exhaust fan, moisture gets trapped, leading to mold, damp patches and bad smells. Always plan for good airflow to keep your bathroom fresh and long lasting. And lastly, plan plumbing heights early. Before tiling starts, make sure you have finalized your WC, wash basin and other fixtures. Why? Because their water inlet and outlet points must be placed correctly before tiles are fixed. Once tiling is done, breaking it again is costly and messy. So friends, in next video we will discuss about the bathroom execution tips. Thanks for watching.